Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And today we are going to put on the Z01 add-on rock guards. So come along with me. Let's go step by step for any of you who are thinking of adding this to your car. So after 3 tries, I finally got the decals that I needed in the right font and the right color. So now is a matter of putting these on. And I'm debating what I want to do with the back window. I don't know if I want to do the larger 12-inch or just do the 9-inch on the back window like I did with the other car. So we will see how it looks right now. First, I'm going to start with the front windshield just to get this where I wanted it, similar to where I had the last one, and then we'll see how it looks. And so it takes a little patience, but what you want to do is just take your time peeling this off of the white backing and then sticking it onto your surface and then just massaging it down. Sorry for the wind, guys, and those bugs in the background, and then you want to just press this into your surface, get all the air bubbles out, and then eventually, after maybe a couple of minutes, slowly peel this top part off. Well, let's try it now, see how it looks. Being very careful, because we don't want any of the little letters to come off. Okay. And there is the front decal in the silver chrome mirror finish. Ooh, so far I think it looks really nice. What do y'all think? Leave a comment below. Alright guys, and now time for the back window. This is the issue that I'm having. I don't know if I want to fully commit to the large 12-inch decal like this, or just put the 9-inch decal in reference to the window. That'll be too small. I was also thinking of just going with a 9-inch decal off to the side, so it's like the opposite of the front on the back right corner. But you know what, I'm not going to put this one on right now. I already have the decals that I need, but I want you folks to have a say in how this turns out. So if you will, leave a comment, let me know if I should go with the 12-inch right in the middle of the back window right here, or just do the 9-inch instead, or go with the 9-inch in the corner here. I haven't tried it with the 12-inch in the corner, but it looks kind of big. I'm not sure. That's what the 12-inch would look like in the corner. I mean, minus the white backing, of course. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Because overall, my concern is, you know, I don't want it to look tacky. I don't want to ruin it. I could even put nothing on the back window. You know, I'm just kind of debating. I don't want to add paint to a masterpiece. You know, sometimes people do too much and then it ends up ruining the look that they wanted to go for. But these are the two that I have in the mirror font. The font we went with was number 39. If you haven't seen that video, this is from vinylsickness.com, and I'll leave a coupon code for anyone interested in buying your own customized decals. And the one thing I'll say is the custom code that they gave me was supposed to save you 15%, but when I put my code in, it actually saved me $15, which basically was like a 50% savings, because the total came out to just under $30. So I ended up paying, you know, roughly $15 or $16 total with my code. So it's supposed to be 15%, but if you get $15 off, great. And no, I'm not getting any type of kickbacks from Vinyl Sickness. I just wanted to get their name out there, because I think they do a really good job. Alright guys, so we just installed the Lux side marker tints. Now, for those of you who know what these are, it's time to put them on, because you have to install these first before you put it on. And this thing kept peeling off. I'm not sure what's up with that, but the Z01 add-on rock guards will actually take care of that, because it will actually go over this, securing the side marker tints in place. So the first thing I noticed about these compared to the ones that I put on my RT are these are the deluxe ones, and they are significantly thinner. The piece in and of itself is a really thick quality plastic, so these are made to last. But what I'm saying is the overall width of the rock guards are a lot thinner than the ones for like the RT trim. Those I noticed were a lot wider on the bottom. So I guess I'm hoping that these do provide a good amount of protection for the wheels, because here I noticed that there are a lot of loose rocks on the roads here. And so that's kind of why I decided to go ahead and just put these on now. And now doing the unboxing, I notice here now that the front rock guards are the slightly wider ones, and the really thin ones in comparison, as you can see. Let me flip this upside down. These are the rear ones, so they're actually a lot thinner, and the front have a little thicker bottom there. So we're going to get these on and see what it looks like. So taking them out of the package, you can see that it's going to use the factory plugs that come with the car and the wheel well. And then it also has a 3M backing to help lock it into place underneath the fender. So what we do want to make sure is that the fender well, the tires, is clean and free of any and all loose debris. So this is where they're going to go. If you can see right there, there's 1 and 2 plastic clips, and then there's a third one up here. But it is a little dusty under there, so I want to make sure I get all this loose dirt and dust out of here so that the 3M tape will have a nice stick. Then the next thing is to take a panel tool to pry open the plastic pins, and then we'll do a preliminary setup of the front driver's side rock guard. So as we look at these rubber, well, plastic clips that come with the vehicle, you need to understand, if you have never taken these out before, they're locking clips, so you can't just pry them out from the bottom. You may end up breaking them. So this top part here actually needs to be pried out first, and that will lift this piece up. It could separate too, but this is a locking pin. So to prevent yourself, if you're going to install these, from breaking it, make sure that you turn it around, and there is a little groove right there that you can use to pry open some space to lift this part up before trying to remove the rest of the plastic clip. So I'm not going to do a detailed thing on all of them, just the first one. But prior to installing it, you may just want to peel off some of the 3M backing here, just enough so when you put the top pin in, you can still reach this to pull off the rest prior to the final install. Right, so this side was actually missing a clip, but we got 3 in there at the top, 2 on the bottom, and here we go. It's got a nice texture to it, and these are very durable. So I'm gonna just do a quick shout out to ZL1 add-ons. It's almost stating the obvious, but if you're looking at a quick add-on to actually that's practical and a mod to your vehicle, there we go. Alright guys, there you have it. ZL1 add-ons put on with all the other mods. So thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, click a like if you like this install video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, or just tell me what you think, how you think they look. Thanks for watching. This is Ryan from Ryan in Stock.